everybody, I'm Robert.
Kat.
And this is our TLC Fall Session B.
Yes.
Odds and ends, right?
Odds and ends.
Class 3.
Yep.
So today we did an underarm catch. There are a couple different types that we explored. So basically it just looks like this, right? A rock, step, a triple step, a step, step, and then follow back out. And this side, so you can see from this angle, a rock, step, a triple step, a step, and follow out. Cool.
Yep.
So this move, it's a lot like a follow underarm turn, the 6 count, right? Rock, step, a triple step, triple step. Except the difference is, instead of letting it complete, I'm gonna kind of interrupt and redirect cat back out.
Right.
So, I don't know if we should do the lead stuff first, or?
Sure.
Okay, so for the leads, the first step on a rock, step, triple step, like the turn. To interrupt it, as soon as I see cat's back, I'm gonna put my hand on the shoulder blade. Okay? So that first triple becomes a rock, step, and triple step. Okay? So then from here, the follow is still gonna wanna step through the turn. So instead of just shoving cat back out, I'm gonna let her do that step back and then triple out. So that rock, step, triple step becomes a rock, step, triple catch, step, and triple out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, stop, send it back out.
Right. And for follows, our job is just to be responsive to the leads, and again, don't try to back lead or anticipate. Just pay attention to that hand and keep going where he sends me.
Right. And then if we, can we turn this way again, I'm sorry. So really, as the follow kind of turns through, I'm watching for the shoulder, and as soon as I see this far shoulder blade, I'm gonna reach ahead and connect, so that way it's very gradual. So I wanna connect as early as I can, so that this catch is not sudden, right?
Right.
So, as far as the two styles, really they depend on the lead. So one is kind of more like a cradle. So once we do the rock, step, and triple step, this step, I'm moving with cat, right? So we both take that step back together, and then I send her back out, okay? This is useful, I think, if it's really crowded.
Yeah.
For one.
Or if you want to just keep it a little quieter.
Yeah, exactly. So it's just rock, step, I kind of catch, and then just move with, and then send back out.
Okay.
The other version is a stretch. Okay, so I move apart from cat on that step. Rock, step, triple step, a step, and triple step.
Right.
This should have tension like a swing out, right? That pressure on 5. And then, when would this be useful? It's good to look flashy if you have a lot of space, and sometimes you can use it to kind of toss your partner out.
Yeah, so both of these have different moves that they can preface. So this decision of one or the other will sometimes go with that. And sometimes leads just have a certain preference for one, so it's good for followers to know that, so that we know how to follow both versions.
Right, exactly. So the next thing we explored is a move that takes advantage of one of those, which is going from this shoulder catch into a frisbee. Okay.
Right.
So just to demo it, it looks like this: 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this move, even though the move where we separate, I'm kind of stretching and it helps get me where I need to go. For this move, I'm actually going to do the catch where I move with cat, because when we step together, that triple step, it's easier for me to get on her side, right? So after that catch, we both travel together so that then when we do the frisbee, we're both where we need to be, right? We're side by side. And I think it's a little easier if I catch and then slowly travel with her.
Right.
And then the frisbee.
Right.
So the footwork for this is the same basic 8 count. First thing is a rotational rock step where we face each other and then triple out. We can't turn anymore while staying connected. So from now on, we'll take our back foot and we'll step around towards our partner, right? So step 1, release. Step 2, back to back, and then the triple step is into closed for this version. Once again, so you can see it in real time. Rock, step, a triple step, and step, step, triple step, ba-do-ba, ba.
Right, and for follows, here it's really important to travel in a straight line and keep your partner, usually, track your partner so that,
For this one?
yes, for the frisbee,
Mhm.
so that you're not getting totally out of orbit and your lead has to catch up with you.
Right, yeah, so we're both watching to kind of see, to gauge where we end up.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, and so that's pretty much it. Just to show it all together, it looks like, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and rock, step, triple step, step, turn, triple step. And I think that's it.
Yep,
So we have more fun stuff planned next week.
absolutely.
Actually, some very fun stuff. And yeah, we'll see you then.
All right.
Bye.